Alright guys, April the 2nd, 2023. I'll give you a little update on where we are with the house. So, we got, that's just the guys out here working this truck. So this week, we're working on siding. It's the front of the house. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty white. Really good. Nice bright, looks good. Not gonna be so much fun when it comes time to pressure wash and clean, but happy wife, happy life, right? But no, I do like it. It's just gonna be a lot of work to maintain, I feel. Hey, but we're gonna get through it. Give you a little close up. White, black windows. That window's still broken on the left. They still gotta come out and fix that. As you can see the black roof accents there. I don't know how good you can see them from here. Front door area is not done because we need our front door. So we're actually driving to Pembroke, Georgia tomorrow to pick up our flooring and our front door. So we'll get that in, get that guy put in, and they'll finish the siding around there. It's looking pretty good though. See if I can watch this camera and not fall either or slip in this mud. It's a little muddy out here. That's the side of the house. Whole lot of siding right here. Don't see anything bulging out yet though, so that is a plus. Water spigot. That's the bathroom for the master soaking tub. Pause it. Alright, we're back. Back of the house. Kiki's bedroom up there. Living room. Back porch. Like I said, they still got a good bit of work to do. Really starting to turn into a house now though. Coming together. Chimney. We really need our chimney. We still don't have it. It's leaking into the house. Garage side. And set up for flood. Well, not floodlights. I don't know what you call it. Lights are on each side of the garage, but insulation's kind of hanging, doing what it does. We've had many windy days, so we'll get that tucked back in. And then that's wall. I did finish in my video. We were missing the insulation here, as well as the foam. I came out and got that finished up. So, got foam in the roof and gables. R19 everywhere else. Never had a spray foamed roof, so I'm interested to see if it's worth all the hype. Anyway, laundry room, our little pantry, guest bathroom. Living room. And again, we won't go through all this because we just did a video ago. But that's kind of where we're at with the updates from this week. I say, really what it was just siding got done, but we got a good bit of it, almost all of it done. Still got a little bit to go, but there's a shot of our ceiling foamed up. Cotton candy in the walls. Marshmallow in the ceiling. I know, I'm so corny. But coming along. It'll be the largest, prettiest house in the cul-de-sac right here. This is my view from the front porch, current state. This will be nice to sit out here and enjoy a little coffee in the morning. Maybe a little bourbon in the evening, nice cigar. And back porch. I can't open the doors right now, but current state in the back porch. Got 3 acres back there behind us. About 3.5. So, more to come. Y'all have a good one.